Walk into any Apple store and they'll happily sell you a $1,300 iPad Pro like it's the only tablet worth owning. Step into a Best Buy and suddenly a $900 Samsung Galaxy Tab is the obvious choice. But here's what nobody is telling you. Right now, there are 5 tablets hiding on Amazon that beat these overpriced options where it actually matters, for less than half the price. Better displays, longer battery life, expandable storage, and features Apple either removed or now charges extra for. These tablets don't have billion-dollar marketing budgets or flashy logos, so most people completely overlook them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which tablets these are and why they're being ignored. By the end of this video, you'll either thank me for saving you hundreds of dollars, or you'll be mildly annoyed that you already bought an overpriced tablet last month. And trust me, number 2 on this list includes a feature Apple removed and now charges $129 to get back. Even crazier, the number 1 tablet uses display tech better than some $2,000 flagships. Before we start, check the links in the description for the best prices and current discounts on every tablet mentioned here. Number 1. Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2024, the "How is this so cheap?" tablet. Price around $260. This tablet feels like Lenovo accidentally priced it wrong. The Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro packs a massive 12.7-inch LCD display with 3K resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. That's laptop-level smoothness on a tablet that costs less than most mid-range phones. Colors are sharp, text looks incredibly crisp, and media consumption is a joy. Powering it is the Snapdragon 870 paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD, something Apple still refuses to offer. This setup handles multitasking, split-screen work, and even demanding games without drama. The 10,200 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of use, and 33-watt fast charging keeps downtime minimal. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver loud, clean sound, and yes, there's still a headphone jack. Despite the huge screen, it weighs just over 600 grams, and the metal build feels premium, not budget. If you want the largest, smoothest display for the least amount of money, this tablet is ridiculous value. Number 2. OnePlus Pad, the speed king Apple won't talk about. This is the tablet Apple fans quietly pretend doesn't exist. The OnePlus Pad features an 11.6-inch 2.8K display with 144 Hz refresh rate and an unusual 7:5 aspect ratio, perfect for productivity, reading, and multitasking. Everything feels fast, fluid, and responsive. Inside, you get the MediaTek Dimensity 9000, a flagship-class chip paired with 8 GB of RAM. Performance is smooth across gaming, editing, and heavy multitasking. No overheating, no stutters. The 9,510 mAh battery delivers around 9 to 10 hours of real-world use, and the 67-watt fast charging is absurdly fast for a tablet, from near dead to usable in minutes. Quad speakers sound excellent, and the aluminum body feels premium, and Honor's clean software experience makes this tablet a pleasure to use daily. For around $300, this is one of the fastest, smoothest Android tablets you can buy. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, the Apple Pencil alternative. Price around $350. This is where things get interesting. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus includes something Apple removed and now charges extra for: a stylus in the box. You get a 12.4-inch display, solid brightness, great color accuracy, and Samsung's excellent S Pen experience for note-taking, drawing, and productivity. No extra $129 fee. Powered by the Exynos 1380, paired with 8 GB of RAM, this tablet handles daily tasks, multitasking, and creative work smoothly. It's not a gaming monster, but it's extremely reliable. The 10,090 mAh battery delivers all-day usage, stereo speakers sound great, and Samsung's DeX mode turns this tablet into a laptop-like workstation when you need it. If you're a student, note-taker, or creative user, this tablet offers incredible value without nickel and diming you on accessories. Number 4. iPad 2025. Yes, an iPad made the list. Price around $380. Relax, I haven't lost my mind. The 2025 iPad proves Apple can deliver value when they're not actively trying to upsell you. The 11-inch liquid retina display looks great, with accurate colors and 500 nits of brightness, which is still non-laminated, which isn't ideal for stylus users. But performance? Absolutely untouchable. The A16 Bionic chip runs circles around everything else in this price range. Gaming, video editing, multitasking, everything is fast, smooth, and reliable. You get excellent cameras, solid stereo speakers, Touch ID and the power button, long-term software support, and full access to Apple's ecosystem. Battery life is average, around 5 to 6 hours, but the overall experience is polished and dependable. If you want raw performance and long-term support, this is the best iPad for the money. Number 5. Honor Magic Pad 2, the display king under $500. Price around $440. This tablet feels illegal at this price. The Honor Magic Pad 2 features a stunning 12.3-inch OLED display with 3K resolution, deep blacks, insane contrast, and 144 Hz refresh rate. It looks better than displays on tablets costing twice as much, period. Inside is the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Performance is flagship level across gaming, productivity, and content creation. The 10,050 mAh battery easily lasts over a day, and 67-watt fast charging gets you fully powered in around 2 hours. The 8-speaker system delivers shockingly immersive sound, and Honor often bundles a keyboard and stylus for free, adding insane value. If you care about display quality, audio, and premium features, this tablet punches far above its price.